Toward the end of 2022, when momentum in the crypto market was dropping significantly, there had been some selling from large Cardano investors that actually took the price of Cardano all the way underneath 25 cents. This was not out of the ordinary, though, as around the holidays and around the new year have historically triggered selling and profit taking, right? And a lot of tax loss harvesting at the same time toward the end of December. Now, we saw that Cardano whales in particular had sold over 569 million Cardano during this time frame in late December. The result was more selling pressure on the digital asset. And again, the price dipped down below 25 cents, making its lowest price point since early 2021. As sentiment notes, this saw the total holdings of investors holding between 1 million and 100 million ADA on their balances drop significantly just as 2022 drew to a close. However, 2023 has been much, much different here for Cardano. And we are seeing a large accumulation phase happen here in the first week of the new year. We're going to dive into that in this video. So make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already to this channel. We're here every single day for you. And let's dive in and see what's going on with Cardano, because we are up again here today. So check this out. We are closing in on 29 cents. Now, again, we just mentioned we were down less than 24 cents not too long ago here. Okay. So very interesting price action we're seeing here happen with Cardano. Loving it. Okay. Obviously here we're getting some great price action here with ADA. And you could see that 24-hour volume is up to 252 million. The market cap closing back in on 10 billion. And it's one of the top gainers here in the last 24 hours. When we go back outside to coin market cap, Bitcoin trading just under 17. We've got the graph up 9%, Lido Dow, and then here comes Cardano up about 5.3% right now, getting closer to that 30-cent range. Now, we could see here the first 5 days of 2023, a lot of these large Cardano investors have already added more than 217 million ADA to their stash. Now, if you want my opinion, a lot of these Cardano whales that sold over 569 million at the end of the year probably sold, took a loss, and now are getting back in, right? A lot of these whales are probably the same whales who sold just for tax purposes, and now they're getting right back into Cardano. This brought the percentage of supply that they now hold, the whales that is, back up to around the 57% level. It's not the highest it's ever been, but certainly a big figure there. And we know how much the whales love Cardano. That total value locked is also a big number, up over 70%. Now, what ADA has enjoyed here in 2023, not only whale activity, however, we've seen retail demand come higher as well, and for this first week. So a continuation of the accumulation trend that we're seeing could possibly lead to a much larger breakout, especially now that investor sentiment is doing much better. If this happens, we could see Cardano's price above 30 cents, and this could happen pretty easily. We don't have a ton of resistance here. Perhaps more important is the fact the bulls are already mounting support at the 26-cent level. This level, this successful switch, rather, from a resistance point to a support point also shows the determination of the bulls to continue this uptrend. And the price that we're looking at for the downside, another fall below that 25-cent level, will likely end up putting ADA's price at pre-2021 levels, which we would dial back all the way to the 15-cent range. But for now, it's looking pretty solid here, coming up from 24 cents all the way up near 29 cents. Look at that reversal. You could see we were up here in mid-December around 31 cents. If you go out to the 3-month, though, there's no reason why we can't head all the way up to this 40-cent range here on this uptrend. I mean, there's really nothing stopping us getting back up here to the 40, 50-cent range and hovering back up in here as long as this trend continues sometime this year. Now, the outside chance is obviously still there that Bitcoin starts dialing back. The bottom's not in, right? A lot of people still think we're going to get a sell-off at some point this year. when we do, if we do, Cardano will dial back with the overall crypto market. So I think the best thing to do right now, not financial advice, right? But dollar cost averaging seems to be the best right now with all of your top cryptocurrencies, just because we don't know if the bottom is in quite yet. Here's what we do know in the grand scheme of things. This is still a great price to acquire Cardano, right? Obviously, 24 cents is better than 29 cents, but it's still a great price long term to acquire ADA. So we're seeing some nice accumulation happen here in 2023 with Cardano. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments section. Shout out to Tradex, our sponsor this month of the channel. You can check out their links down below. Also, if you want to come over and join us at the Patreon, we've got a new tier for you. $5 per month, just $5. $5 gets you 4 newsletters in the month. First one comes out tomorrow. Let me know what you guys think about Cardano. Appreciate you guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll talk to you very soon. See ya.